answer this one. What set of numbers make up the range of the linear function y equals 3x minus 4 if the domain is 1, 2, 3, and 4? So, y equals 3x minus 4. So, substitute natin yung ating mga domain. First domain is 1. So, 3 times 1 minus 4. So, equals 3 minus 4. So, y is equal to negative 1. Second domain, y equals 3 times 2 minus 4. So, 6 minus 4 is equal to y is equal to positive 2. Third domain, y equals 3 times 3 minus 4. So, equals 9 minus 4. So, equals y is equal to 5. Yung last domain is y equals 3 times 4 minus 4. So, 12 minus 4. So, y is equal to 8. So, yung range natin is negative 1, positive 2, 5, and 8. So, sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.